Hello, welcome to Learning English with me. Let's do some work. Okay, let's start. She ties her hair. She ties her hair. She's watering the plants. She's watering the plants. He is running. He is running. He feeds the baby. He feeds the baby. He packs his bag. He packs his bag. She looks beautiful. She looks beautiful. She is riding a bike. She is riding a bike. She cleans the oven. She cleans the oven. My brother helps me. My brother helps me. She cuts the flowers. She cuts the flowers. She eats vegetables. She eats vegetables. He folds his clothes. He folds his clothes. I clean my shoes. I clean my shoes. I draw a picture. I draw a picture. I play in the garden. I play in the garden. We play in the park. We play in the park. I walk to school. I walk to school. We are friends. We are friends. It's dark outside. It's dark outside. He lifts a heavy box. He lifts a heavy box. She wears her coat. She wears her coat. He climbs a tree. He climbs a tree. They read a book. They read a book. He drinks water. He drinks water. She pets her dog. She pets her dog. He plays football. He plays football. She paints her nails. She paints her nails. They play with cars. They play with cars. We sing a song. We sing a song. He washes his feet. He washes his feet. He wears a hat. He wears a hat. He caught a ball. He caught a ball. They sit on the carpet. They sit on the carpet. He sits on the chair. He sits on the chair. She brushes her teeth. She brushes her teeth. I cleaned my room. I cleaned my room. She sweeps the floor. She sweeps the floor. We go to the zoo. We go to the zoo. We play in the park. We play in the park. We bake a cake. We bake a cake. The TV is bright. The TV is bright. He washes the car. He washes the car. I hold my mum's hand. I hold my mum's hand. I hug my mum. I hug my mum. It's very quiet. It's very quiet. It's hot today. It's hot today. I dress my doll. I dress my doll. I cut fruits. I cut fruits. We pick flowers. We pick flowers. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm cycling. I'm cycling. The dog is running. The dog is running.